Love yours. No stress.
Well, this is your sign to treat yourself. This is your sign to get that service, okay?
What's poppin', y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dash, and this right here is Dash Day TV, where we focus on saving our coins, earning our confidence, and building these empires, honey. And today, I'm so excited, girl. We about to get these brows laminated. I have never done it before, so this is going to be a first-time experience. I am going to Careful Touch. I think is her studio name. I saw one of her videos on TikTok, and they was so bomb, girl. So I decided to give her a chance. I'm super excited. This is what it's given before. So come on, girl, let's go transform these brows. I hardly ever get them like wax or thread or anything like that, because every time I be going, they just be doing it too thin, and I hate it so bad. So I end up having to grow them back out.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself. Late o'clock, body talk. There's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart. Issues left behind.
That's so funny because it's literally. That is so funny.
Yeah, my mom used to print my sister's brows like when they were like younger.
For real.
Yes, and I was like, Mama, you don't even know what you could have done with that. I was like, you missed out so.
No, for real. She was ahead of the curve. She was ahead of the curve. Oh no, Mama was on or something. That is so funny. Oh yes, okay.
No, she literally wasn't.
That is so funny. But how innovative were black women though?
I'm like, especially as a cosmetologist, you could have went so way over.
Because that's crazy. I've heard about lamination, but I didn't for real know what it was. Like,
yeah.
And it makes sense though, because your brows be all crazy looking. They look good though, already. This is pretty good though. This is cool.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love, I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak, yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat, yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know
The mapping, it's the mapping for me. Y'all, it looks good already.
felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love. All of your love. Won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening. You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time? Like our time was right now. Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning. Love me in the evening. You know what I want. All of your love.
Show ya. Wish for me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like on money. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around.
Okay, girl, so this is what they are giving. Now, they are a little dark, but I do like the shape of them. She said they're going to fade a little bit over time, and she could have made them a little bit lighter, but I just told them to leave them alone just simply because this is the first time and I wanted to see like how it actually faded, and I didn't want it to like fade too light, and I didn't know like how it worked or whatever, girl. But this is what it's giving. I do think this shape and stuff is good. It is a little dark, but I don't know. We're gonna see how it fade. And yeah, we're finna go home. I'm gonna see my man, honey. He'll tell me the truth. So let's go see. Okay, girl. So it's the next day. They like in so much, y'all. I'm in love. They look so good. Now I was a little nervous a little bit. I ain't gonna lie yesterday, because they was a little dark, but they look so natural. They look so good. I will definitely, what you say, bud? I will definitely be coming back, girl. Oh, it just looks so good. And I'm definitely thinking about doing the more permanent version, but 10 out of 10, highly recommended, girl. She's Tia.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone and you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, I know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. couple girls I think, but I don't want you up.
What's the matter with my butt? What? You said what did on your face? Give me a kiss. 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 Mwah. Oh. Okay, girls, so this is what they're giving about 24 hours later. I really do like them. Don't mind this raggedy situation that we got going on in the back. I need to fix that. But girl, this is about 24 hours later. They are definitely lighter. And so she gave me some aftercare instructions. She told me to not touch or rub on them for 12 hours, so I have been so careful. She recommended not to wet them for 24 to 48 hours, so I didn't even wash my face or nothing like that, because girl, I'm trying to make sure my stuff lasts. Okay, she told me this is the moisturizer, the aftercare that I need to put onto my brows at least once a day. She said if you're not moisturizing them, it can become like very dry and brittle, and it can cause like your eyebrows and stuff to fall out. But overall, my first time experience is a 10 out of 10, honey. I would definitely recommend this service. I was a little nervous at first because I was like, girl, hold on, that's a little dark. But as it's starting to fade, and I did me some cluster lashes. So now, girl, I feel like I'm gonna just be able to get up and go. 10 out of 10, highly recommended. Again, my girl's shop was Careful Touch, I think. I'm gonna link everything down below. I'm gonna link her page and stuff so y'all can check her out. She is located in Grand Prairie, girl. But yeah, I'm loving it. 10 out of 10, highly recommended, girl. So we're gonna go ahead and close this vlog up. I just want it to be like a maintenance day. I do think I'm gonna do me like some press-ons and stuff like that too. I don't know that we're gonna put all that on camera because the main focus was definitely the brows. But 10 out of 10, highly recommended. I definitely recommend my girl Cara. I actually don't know if it's Cara or Kara because I didn't ask, but I do know that's how it's spelled. But girl, you did that, honey. So I'm gonna go ahead and link her information down below. But other than that, girl, this is your sign to treat yourself. This is your sign to get that service, okay? I got some good stuff lined up for y'all. We got creator vlogs coming up. I've been going to some different creator events and things like that. So girl, turn on those post notification bells so you do not miss anything that's coming up, okay? And that's all I'm gonna have for today. Do not forget that Dash TV is a place for us to save our coins, on our confidence, and continue to build these empires, honey. And I'm gonna get y'all in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.